Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know food intolerance step by step. Start by tracking your meals and symptoms in a daily log and be consistent for at least 2 weeks. Write times, portions, and any reactions, then review patterns for repeated triggers. Use a simple scale for symptom severity and include sleep and stress notes. This clear record makes it easier to spot food links and helps professionals give better advice. To confirm intolerance, remove suspected items for several weeks and observe if symptoms improve, then reintroduce foods one by one. Start with small portions and increase to a typical serving while watching for reactions over the next few days. Record timing, intensity, and type of symptoms during reintroduction. This method helps isolate culprits and prevents misattributing relief to other lifestyle changes like sleep or stress improvements around the same time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders, making testing days easier and a bit more comfortable. I find it handy between elimination meals and doctor visits. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you like it, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. Seek medical advice when symptoms are intense, unexplained, or interfere with daily life, and share your food log with your clinician. They may recommend allergy testing, blood panels, or breath tests for lactose and bacterial overgrowth, which provide objective data. Professionals can help design safe reintroduction plans and ensure you get essential nutrients while avoiding unnecessary restrictions. Working together reduces trial and error and protects your overall health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.